How do you go into this and do it right? How do you avoid all the likely pitfalls and snares that always trip up the neophyte new startups? That 5 handles is plenty, and you can split it up and make your whole 25 handle career on multiple trades or one individual trade in the morning that gets 5 handles and you're done for the whole day. That releases you from all of the expectations of being in front of these charts longer than it's necessary, which is good. You want to limit that. So if you get your trade 5 handles when you're first starting out, turn the charts off. Look at everything afterwards in hindsight. Don't be lured into doing more because something moves around quick. You don't want to add to what's already been given to you, and that's your goal. Stop. That's what profitable trading is. Having a goal, a business model. Okay. We call it a trading model, but it's a business model. Foot Locker don't go out there and say, you know what, we're doing so well selling shoes. We need to get into the fucking pizza business. Let's start selling pizzas and burritos. Because who wouldn't want a fucking Foot Locker burrito, right? That shit don't work. Okay. You're not going to upset the model that works for them. Okay. And vice versa. You have a model, you sit down, you've done all the work, you built yourself up, you're learning this, and now you settled in, you're going to look for 5 handles in the E-mini S&P or the NASDAQ, one or the other. I'm preferring ES, and I think you should do that too. If you want to go into NQ later on when you have more ability, that's fine. But when it moves fast, it can be wild and it can hurt you. It's a little bit more chaotic, so just be mindful of that. Don't be afraid of it, but in the beginning, respect it, because if you don't know what you're doing, it can sting you. But you want to have that business model of knowing, when are you going to stop? See, when I go into live streamers all the time, I'll ask them, I say, hey, look, I asked this of Trades by Matt, I asked it by Corbs, I asked it by 2 other YouTubers, and they ignored me in there because I know why. They don't want to talk to me because they think I'm in there trying to make fun of them. I'm not. I respect anybody that's doing a live stream. I would never go in there and try to be disruptive about anything like that, because number 1, it takes a lot of focus and it's a dick move, and 2, I can respect the fact that they're doing it, because there isn't a lot of people that are willing to get out there and literally live stream. So that is ballsy, and anybody that does it, that they got my respect, even if they blow up all the time and blow their accounts and go to maximum loss multiple times in the same week. It's still respectful that they do it. I want to ask them questions like, hey, when do you stop? What draws the line in the sand? Say, okay, I'm not trading anymore today. I've done enough, either because of the loss or the win. Like, how do you get to the point of contentment where you no longer feel that it's needed for you to be in front of the charts? Have you even considered that in your development, in your building of your trading plan? Because it's easy to see, oh, it's early, I've already got my 10 handles for the day. That's 2 days work. That's 2 days of work. What do you think, you're going to go in there again? Because that's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to think the market's on fire. You got to push your edge until it's dull and you lost what you made and more, plus commissions. Don't you feel smart? Twitter can get you hurt by people that don't know what the fuck they're talking about. Your business model is only profitable when you follow it. Your trading plan is only profitable when you follow it. Your wife, your husband, your significant other, your children, your dependents, your best friends, your coworkers, your boss, and ICT, we're not going to be there to help you press the button and manage it and tell you when to stop. That's personal responsibility. And all of that rests on your shoulders. And if you're not in tune with the things that will lure you into dumb shit, gambling, going in there one more time, you got a good day, you made $1,000. You didn't try to make $1,000. It just happened, fell right in your hands. Don't look at that as, oh shit, I'm way better than I thought I was. Fuck, I've been thinking about this all this time, thinking I wasn't that great. Look how good I am. I'm gonna go out there and do this 5 more times, because shit, that's $6,000. Who doesn't want a $6,000 day? And then all of a sudden you're looking at your account, it's gone. I've done that. I've done it. I've done that. Okay, so you have to know when you're going to pull the plug.
Yo, good morning, everybody. Happy Friday, boys and girls. How's everybody doing? Say what's up in the chat. Like the stream before we get started, boys and girls. It would be much appreciated. Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody is doing well. Happy CPI day to those who celebrate. Good morning, Jamie. Good morning, Fadi. TP Tiger, Catherine. Good morning, Jared. Simply, Ali, Diego, Macaulay, Musa, Vincent. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing? Making sure audio is good here. Yeah, it looks good to me. All right. Let's go ahead and jump into these charts, boys and girls. And obviously CPI finally happened today. And as of right now, we have more news in store for today. So 9:45, 15 minutes after opening bell. We have opening here in a minute. After opening bell, we got PMI about 15 minutes into the open. So be mindful of that as well if you're a, first 15 minutes of opening range kind of a trader, boys and girls. But right now, yeah, we've traded up above the all-time highs here on ES and NQ. Dow Jones is the only one that has yet to get to the all-time high. So we'll see how price wants to respond. Kind of the general rule of thumb, I guess, on these CPI type news releases is a two-stage delivery type of event, right? So you can see pretty clearly here on the 15-minute range the data high and data low. So we'll just go ahead and mark these out. Data high and data low is right at New York midnight basically as well. Data low, and then we'll delete the all-time high level. We don't need that really anymore. So market just opened up 30 seconds here into opening bell, and yeah, I mean, in an ideal world, the most ideal delivery I would say today would be this, maybe data high to data low, two-stage delivery type reversal would be nice. Those. So yeah, all right, guys, we're live. We're live. What's up, JT? Don't try to short. We are the bulls. Don't fucking tell me what to do. I'll do whatever I got. I'll do whatever I want. 60% of the chat is bullish, though. 60% of the chat is bullish. 40% of the chat is bearish. Thanks, bro. 2.7K. Are you saying you made 2.7K? If so, congratulations. And if you're thanking me, the only proper way to thank me would be a 2.7K super chat. You won't do it. You won't do it, Francesco. What's up, Melda? Good morning. Good morning, Tom. J-Wop. Just blew all my accounts this week. Should I buy the reactivate or just wait next week? I guess that's totally up to you, J-Wop. It is CPI day today. It's our first time having like actual real news release in like 24 days or some shit like that. They say that usually when you blow an account, usually the only problem that you're going to have is... So it's really up to you, JWAP. Sometimes a nice little reset and not trading is good as well. So I'll leave that up to you, man. What's up, Akira? FOMO, good morning. Good evening from Germany. What's up, Benny? What's up, Danny? So why do we have... I don't know. I mean, I genuinely don't know, Mastro, why we had... the first CPI event was canceled. It was rescheduled one time, canceled again. And I don't know. I guess someone in higher places decided we were going to have it regardless. So we had it. I'm not mad about it. If anything, it's like, thank God. Like, we need some economic calendar news, dude. Like, it's been so weird to not be able to, have some little bit of reliance on like economic calendar for high expectations, low expectations. You know what I mean? Like, this is such a key roadmap to everything that we do, especially as ICT traders, to kind of navigate when we're in accumulation, manipulation, distribution, like it really is such a key part. It's not just about, you know, the chart. Prefer funded or live accounts? I mean, wanted, they kind of serve two different purposes in a sense, but both have pros and cons. I wouldn't say that. You know, here's what I always say though, to like newer traders, the people that ask that are like generally, I'll just assume wanted, that you're a little bit maybe newer to trading. Here's what I would say. If you're a newer trader, just go with prop until you really like feel super confident in your edge, and super confident in your ability to manage risk, because it'll just protect your downside. When I first started trading, I was trading only live accounts, and I lost more than I probably needed to, right? Like if prop firms were as popular back then. So that's what I would say. And then you know, take payouts, funnel that money into a live, and do it that way. That'd be my advice. But so they just said, "Fuck it, we're gonna have it." I guess so. Yeah. Yeah. What's Biddy doing today? What is old Biddy doing today? 1% up right now. XRP up almost 5%. Oh, XR Pizzle. Come on. Ooh, Fetch AI is up almost 5% as well. All right, all right. Ain't mad at it, ain't mad at it. Let's go. Wanted Middle said he is new. All right, well, hey, welcome to the dark side. Once you go down this path, I think of that Breaking Bad meme. Son, once you start, or is that Breaking Bad or is that something else? Maybe it's like Malcolm in the Middle or some shit. It's the same guy. Once you start down the path, there is no leaving the path. Welcome, Wanted. Yeah, so. But anyway, guys, yeah, the chat, 59% is bullish. Not super lopsided there, but news coming in 10 minutes as well. So probably waiting on that for sure. But yeah, kind of the idea here, it would be the easiest trade would be this data high to data low. Kind of a move, I would say. Or even if we didn't get like the data high to data low totally, but it would be more of like take data high, even if we just come for like this low internally, this would be probably more than enough as well. And then you're looking at, you know, wherever this high gets put in, OTE, FIB, you know, a rebalance would below that would be good too, right? Regular trading hours. I always get confused, like Allie, when you say, Tyler, please show regular trading hours. Are you asking that because you don't have it? Like, do you not have the ability to look at regular trading hours? I'm confused. But this is regular trading hours. Obviously, you're gonna have a nice size opening range gap down here as well, given the CPI data push. So 9:30 open is obviously going to be opening range gap high. You know, maybe could look to mark out. Let's see here. Could mark out. Let's see if I have. What is this? Neutral. Oh, that's just neutral color. What's this? I just want that 50% level. All right, so this blue line right here is consequent encroachment of opening range gap. Which is all the way down at the open of CPI, basically. All right, data high being traded above here on NQ. SMT currently with ES. News in 6 minutes, chat. $26K before November? Yeah, maybe. Andrew, are you one of those people that would say the same? Would you say that Bitcoin's going to see another leg up higher before November as well? That's what I'm thinking. Andrew, call the top for us. Andrew, call the top on Bitcoin for 2025. What's up, Malik? Malik, I like the data. I like data high to data low. Two-stage type reversal here. I don't necessarily need to see it go all the way to data low. If it does, great. But I'm trying to stay patient because we got news and we got high impact news in 4 minutes. And I'm trying to let that news pass. Yeah, data high was taken on NQ and Dow Jones and not on ES. Yash in the chat says data highs was taken on micro ES. So yeah, that doesn't really matter to me. E-mini is the chart with more volume, so. Are we not full porting PMI? Dude, don't threaten me with a good time. Just started adding to gold, adding gold to NQ. Oh, just in terms of trading, you're saying? Yeah, I have that same level on gold marked out. What is that price level? 175. We basically generated nice relative equal highs there. The only problem is we got equal lows down at like 4,020 on gold as well. So yeah, gold's kind of going sideways right now. It's building up. It's building up equal lows and equal highs in this range. So I would say gold's a little bit tricky right now, unless you just have a really strong bias one way or the other. I mean, obviously the right bias for a long time has just been bullish, but I think maybe things could be starting to shift on gold a little bit. Maybe you're not quite as bullish as you were. What's up, Elma? Bro, there is no SMT. Bro, are you blind, retarded, or stupid?
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Guys, is this SMT or no? Is this SMT divergence, yes or no? I hate reading the chat and losing brain cells. Sharky, as I already stated, I'm using the E-mini chart to trust the technical analysis because there's more volume on this chart than the micro chart. And here you guys are. MES took it. MES took it. MES took it. You guys not listen. Now you're blind and deaf. I'm basically trading in front of a bunch of Helen Kellers right now. My God, guys.
I don't enjoy talking to you that way. I don't know why you insist on making me blow my top. We've been on a lot of adventures together, but it seems like you haven't learned anything. Anything. You think on it. I'll be in the limo. Mother. He's okay.
I don't know why you insist on making me blow my top. All right, there's news, guys. Another drive higher on NQ here. So we are past the news. This is what I was waiting for. Now it's game fucking on, chat. All bets are off now. I can't wait to press a button. Let me at him. Let me at him. Yeah, KJ, if you ever notice a discrepancy between micro NASDAQ or micro ES versus like the E-mini chart, if you have to choose to trust one or the other, trust the E-mini chart because there's more volume in that chart. Morning, Tyler. About to go through a storm in my country. Don't have any money to buy food. Could you give me a little help, bro, please? And you're trying to day trade? Yeah, probably not the smartest decision there. And for that reason, I'm gonna call bullshit. He's in such bad financial shape that he's trying to day trade. Yeah, let me give you money so you can blow it on a funded account. That makes sense. Oh my God, guys. Chat is on one today. We get one news release in 24 days and everybody starts fucking losing their mind. You like big booty Latinas? Who doesn't like big booty Latinas? Let's be honest. That's like, I don't even know what that's like, but when you ask me if I love America, you know what I'm saying? It's like, you know, yeah, we're into deporting illegals, but the big booty Latinas get to stay. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna go for shorts here, guys. And see if we can trade it down to data low. Want to go break even here at this low. And may look to add a couple if we pull back into this gap and hold. Mhm. Going for two-stage delivery, data high to data low delivery here. So opening range gap high being traded into right now. That's what 9:30 open will represent. I will look to partial probably towards consequent encroachment of opening range gap. So you guys regular trading hours again. Macros beginning here. Looking for a trade into this gap, and this is where my break-even point will be. See here. We got what, 6 minutes roughly until top of the hour. Where's my hourly candles at? Oh, did they not show up in regular trading hours? Did not know that. This par of 3 indicator. I don't know if it works on regular trading hours. Oh, I did not know that. Rogers Legacy game incoming. It'll be fun. It'll be a fun game to watch. I'm excited. Go Pack Go though. You know what I'm saying? I'll show you guys the 5-minute as well. This is what we look like on the 5 at the moment. So again, going for that 2-stage data high, data low right here. Trusting this as the manipulation from the 9:45 news above CPI data high. We got 4 minutes till the top of the hour. Adding more on the FEG. I'm gonna add if we respect it. I don't wanna like add as we trade into it, just because in case this disrespects, we fly to stop. Don't want to make my trade, or I don't want to make my loser bigger than it needs to be. But yeah, if we hold this, start to push away, I'm gonna look to add. But yeah, if it's gonna be a loser, I don't want to add to it, and then you know what I mean. So right now in with 5 micros with a 66-point stop above the 45 wick high. Because if I guess if the trade fails, you're probably looking at SMT failure, right? You're looking at the ES pushing for that high as well, which would likely drag NQ up with it as a possibility. News at 4. I think we'll be done by then. I'll put one more on right here. Kind of a quick little impulse we had just then. Our close in less than 2 minutes. Last minute of the hour. Somewhat Paris. This week has been this this week has been similar to trading at a drag show. Levels of gayness. Oh my god. Getting jumpy. What is happening? What the fuck is going on right now? MNQ glitch. Anyway, new hour. That was the open of the 10 a.m. So now it's not starting to look so hot, right? Trading above this fair value gap and inverting it. This is what I was trying to avoid with ads. See if we can still hold the high or not. Obviously, we got ES to worry about, potentially going for that data high as well, which will drag NQ higher. And then the SMT fail. Macro manipulated. I lost three times the stop loss amount. What do you mean? All right, moment of truth, guys. Can we get back below this fair value gap, or are we going to hold it as support? Our last gasp. Yeah, I'm in 6 micros at the moment. I would be open to adding to this if price could reclaim and get below here again. And then stop is here. Yeah, I'm looking at like candle closures, hourly, 15-minute. Obviously, we closed below previous hourly low, previous hourly high. Hoping to see this hourly high be protected. But yeah, like I said, if ES is going to drag everything up, then it is what it is. Made $80 today. Nice. Better than losing $80. Yeah, I don't know what happened at micros. Did they make an announcement or something? Why did it jump like that? Would you re-enter short once ES takes high? I mean, I'm not looking for longs at all today. No. So yeah, so to answer your question, yes. It would just be a wait. It would just be a waiting game. Probably waiting till like 10:30 or like 11. I don't know. Yeah, the way I'm just like looking at this ES chart, and ES just looks like it's getting ready to jump up here. Or the data high also. Kind of annoying. I hate when SMT is like the least dependable thing. You know what I mean? You see some of these traders online, they're just like, no SMT, no trade. And it's just like, I don't know, bro. I sometimes consider taking SMT out of my fucking bag of tricks. I feel like SMT is like the most unreliable thing. I feel like SMT sometimes is the most unreliable confluence that I use. And it puts me in trades that are just fucking inducement. I don't know. I'm starting to become an SMT disbeliever. Thoughts? Correct, Banana Man. My chart is frozen. No, it's not. Refresh, Tyler. You're stopped. Bro, what are you talking about? I'm not stopped. On MNQ has not taken this high yet. I see NQ though. E-mini NQ has. E-mini NQ has. Did it jump up here in the last minute? Yeah. E-mini jumped up there. MNQ has not. Maybe that'll play out in my favor. I don't know. That'd be kind of sick. Someone says refresh your chart, as if like refreshing my chart's going to change the candlestick. Dude, that'd be kind of sick though if I got saved. If MNQ doesn't take the high out and NQ does. But this just kind of goes to show, guys, like, bro, I don't know, bro. The market has just been so... I complained about it a lot yesterday. It's just like, what the fuck is going on in the market right now? I mean, like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Like, I'll look back. Like, let's say this trade... Let's just say hypothetically, I get saved here and it does sell off. Bro, I'll look back at this and it's just like the only reason that I won is because I was an MNQ instead of E-mini NQ. I'd be like, I don't know how to feel about that. It doesn't feel necessarily like a win. I'll take it, but it feels like, what the fuck? That's what it feels like. It feels like I got saved by the market makers or some shit. I don't know. How do you explain that? It's just like total luck. There's nothing really skilled about it. But I'll take it. Listen, don't get me wrong. I'll take it. If it wants to do that, I'll take it. Because I've been on the other side too. I've been in... You guys have seen me take trades where E-mini NQ plays out. But because I was in micro, like micro NQ manipulated one more time and I got stopped out. So I've been on the other side of that as well. Maybe the market wants to say, hey, listen, let's fucking give this guy a bone here. We actually fucked him over so many times. Let's just, you know what I'm saying? Let's let him have one. But he keeps coming back. Probably not. It's usually they're just gonna take it from me every single time anyway. So Yeah, ES looks like it wants to take this 837. But yeah, no, I'm not interested in longs. Not interested in longs at all today. If we just keep ripping higher today, I'm gonna be done. I'll short this chart until my fucking account's gone. I don't give a fuck. Kidding. Kind of. MNQ, save me. Save me, MNQ. Throw me a bone. Throw me a bone, please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you, MNQ. Let all the E-mini traders get stopped and the micro traders get to live to see another day. I'm waiting for the candle that just like you blink and it's all the way up here. It's just gonna like shoot right through it. I'll get slipped like an extra 10 points on my stop or something. Josh, I'm red, especially due to the I was doing okay, and then I had that contract mishap. So that didn't help. But I guess it depends. On other accounts, I'm green. What even is it to be red or green anymore? Does anybody even know? Fucking light me up like a Christmas tree, why don't you? Where do I think Burger King Man is right now? Probably on a flight. I would think on a flight somewhere. Having it his way, you know what I mean? Do you want to see us trade back to the hourly Bissy man? Hell yeah. I mean, do I just cut it now and save myself the few extra points? All right. I'll do it. I'll do it. Save myself like 10 points there. On 6 micros. Bro, but I'm telling you, if this holds in tanks, oh brother. Oh brother. I'm going to find somebody's knob and it's going to get slobbed on. Any takers? SMT is still holding though. On micro, I know that E mini took it again. That was sus, bro. Hey, who's got a sus block for me? I'm gonna find somebody's sus block and I'm gonna slob on it. If this doesn't come to this high now, and we just. But it's just like, what are we doing? You know what I mean? Like, this shit is... ES doesn't come for this data high at this point. I swear. I'll say this, though, ahead of time. I'll rejoin the position, I guess, if we can get back down, you know, like below this gap again. In a fucking weird world where that happens. But that'd be some crazy shit. You know MNQ is NQ. Bro, are you stupid? Just ignore him, Tyler. Just ignore him. He knows not what he does. Yeah, this price this is making me a little nauseous. I think I'm gonna be sick. What about gold? It's going up a little bit. I got gold on my other monitor. Really, bro? Well, so much for that CPI day delivery, boys. I was real excited too. Just another NQ 10 a.m. hour, I guess. It's what the doctor has ordered for us at this point. Daddy Trump says, let's fuck with everybody. I could just see him now. They're like sitting there in the Situation Room, and they're just like having a good little giggle while Baron Trump is making hundreds of millions of dollars off of all of our crypto, and yeah, they're just giggling like, you know, it'd be really funny. Hey, listen. I got a good one. Listen. What if? Hear me out. What if we just, you know how like the market already fucks everybody? What if we fuck them even more? And then they just fucking start hysterically laughing.
They don't know what the fuck they're doing. Do you understand that?
Boom. President. Am I the most unlucky guy on earth? No, God, no. I think you have like a 17% chance or something at this point to be born in India, so. No. I'm pretty fortunate. I'm a pretty lucky guy. If we're keeping it in perspective. Listen, guys, I gotta show you something funny. I know the loving people of India. I know the loving people of India might think this is like I'm picking on them. I kind of am, but it is what it is. Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can. I don't know if I can. How do I fucking show this without? All right, so do you guys remember Hydra in the chat? He might be in here or not, I don't know. But he was like spamming about like he's like, I want to make you thumbnails and stuff, and I was just like, dude, listen, like for those of you guys that don't know, I get fucking DMs like every single, like tens and tens of DMs dozens of DMs every single day of like random people from all over the place for different things, whether it's like, yo, please give me money, or like, oh my God, bro, here, I made this thumbnail for you. Here's my PayPal email. Send me $50. I'm like, so I was telling this guy in the chat, I'm like, dude, I'm only going to use your thumbnail if I'll pay you for a thumbnail if it's good and I can use it. But this is the type of fucking people. This is why I get so frustrated, because it's like the IQ, and I get like maybe there's an English barrier. Anyway, so watch this shit. All right, so he sends me a DM on he sends me a DM on Instagram. Hi. That day I said hi back. I am graphic designer. I just create your thumbnail. It gets better. I go on, I say, well, I didn't respond because I was trying to be nice. I'm trying to be nice. He sends me, he double texts me, question mark. I said, LOL, that's god awful, brother. He goes, thanks, bro. You can put this on your YouTube thumbnail. I said, can you read? He goes, what? I said, it was awful. Definitely not using that. Why, sir? It's bad. And he keeps just, I don't know, it's just fucking A. Oh, God, guys. Should I have stayed in the short? I'm rejoining shorts if we get back below this gap. If we reclaim this gap, I'm shorting again. I don't give a fuck. Shorting again. Stop will be at, like, the recent high, I guess, but what's going on here? E-mini NQ did take this high. MNQ has not. Don't you dare get below this gap. If you're not going to short, if you're not going to tank, do not get below this gap, please. That's all I ask. If you are not going to short, do not come below this gap and close. Please, for the love of God. You have 0 girls in your DMs? Yeah, fuck women. Respectfully. I got a bunch of buddies, and all they talk about is like trying to get with women. I'm just like, bro, how about you fucking make some money, you fucking dumbass? Christ. Speaking of, if anyone has a sister, send her my way. Yo, this shit really was gonna give it to me, wasn't it? It was gonna throw me a bone. I just had to stay patient. Is that what was happening? Oh gosh. Wild though. It's like E-mini takes it and MNQ doesn't. Crazy. I'm telling you, this gap. We get below it, I'm in. I just hope we don't get like a 1-minute Drake candle that closes all the way down here. You're going higher, stay above here. Yes. What? Does anything feel better than getting cooked in evals but banking in fundeds? You know what else is kind of fun? In a weird way, it's like you're trading maybe a certain set of fundeds and you get smoked, and then you go to another set of fundeds and you just fucking hit a banger. It's kind of like it's like, wow, that sucked, but also that was kind of cool too. Still on short. Oh, yeah, dude. I don't know. This is the same 10 a.m. price action I was complaining about yesterday. It's like, here we are again. It's just kind of crazy if like MNQ was going to actually spare my life here. Like I said though, that's just pure luck. Like this level was taken on E-mini NQ. Like it's hard to even look at that as a win. It's just pure luck. Which is fine. Sometimes you got to get lucky. But you put a hole through your monitor. Did you get another one? Or is this a spare one that you're typing on currently? Oh. All right. I'm in. Sell ask. As I said I would. And if it goes higher from here, well, I guess it just sucks to suck. Tell me why. Tanya in shorts too. We can't all be wrong, can we? Just kidding. Yeah, we probably could. Paris, what happened to me? So I have a, I don't know. He might be watching this. He sometimes, he said he sometimes watches, but not yesterday. The day before, I ran into I was doing a leg day, boys. First leg day of October. I know, Kev. Don't fucking judge me. But I'm walking funny now. I'll be walking funny all weekend. Anyway, I ran into my cousin at the gym, or he came up to me at the gym 2 days ago. So it's one of those cousins, like, I just kind of see him. I don't really see him, like, too much. But we go to the same gym, so I saw him there. Anyway, he comes up to me. He's like, so, Tyler, I've been meaning to ask you, what crypto should I buy? And I'm just like, oh, kind of caught me off guard. I'm just like, so I start talking about crypto and whatnot. And he goes, yeah, you know, because I had some money in Bitcoin. He goes, I had like $1,000 in Bitcoin. And he goes, and it went down to 800, so I sold it. I'm just like, bro. I'm like, dude, what are you talking about? And so anyway, I'm like, are you looking for coins that like you're gonna hold for the long term? Or are you looking for like, you know, a quick like 2 to 5x type of a play or whatever? He was like, oh, I don't know, maybe a little bit of both. And then I'm just like, well, how much money are you willing to lose? And he was just kind of like froze. He was just like, I don't know, nothing really. I'm just like, these guys, boy. I mean, dude, it's just so crazy to me, like the mentality of like someone that doesn't trade and just like their inability to like lose money. Like the only way you're going to make money in any market is having a willingness to lose fucking money. And only the legends seem to have that bone in them, I guess. I don't know, but I'm just like, what do you want me to say, bro? Don't fucking bother. Holy fuck, didn't know it. No, you're such a bitch. You know? I'm just like, how about you just go ask like your boomer parents. They'll probably tell you to put money into like a money market account at the bank. Or buy a CD. Or, you know what? Go buy something with like no downside risk. But trust me, if you're afraid of losing a little bit of money, you ain't ready for this. You ain't ready for this. You can't disassociate yourself with the little bit of fake money on a screen. These digital numbers on a screen that they print out of fucking thin air. I'm sorry. You're just probably going to be doomed forever. Adding more? Sure, why not? I want to see a 1 minute candle closure though off this gap. No, I want to get close below here. No, not adding it. Not adding it. My TP is basically data low, but I'll definitely look to partial at consequent encroachment, which is this blue line. Consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. I am sure I am in micros yet. I definitely quadruple checked. Yeah, it does, Anthony, actually. Now that you mention it, it does kind of, yeah. They call it the lucky number 7. I'm like, I don't know about luck. It might be lucky, but not for me. Thanks, Sheik. You know what? I love you too, man. I fucking love you too, bro. Why do you pick 7 micros? I'm just basically trying to get under. The stop was like 37-ish points. So yeah, I don't want to be, I wanted to be like just under 10. But I'm looking for ads, right? Like, because it's CPI, this is always how I play CPIs. It's like I'm expecting, like the expectation on a CPI day is higher than my expectation on a no news day. And I'm expecting cleaner delivery. I'm expecting PD arrays to hold. Right? So I can be more aggressive. I can, you know what I mean? Let my stops, if I set a good stop loss, like I don't got to fuck with it. I can just let it be. It's kind of the idea. That's the expectation. But as of right now, like we've kind of still been getting some shit, man. Like it's not really doing a whole lot. You got, oddly enough, like ES as well and YM kind of outpacing NQ to the downside here a little bit. Let's see if we get this nice close. Add here. Yeah. Add another one. Come on, guys. Just pull the floor out from under everybody right now and just nuke this shit. Bleed, you son of a bitch. Bleed! Nuke it. Nuke it. We're struggling, bro. At 9:30 open, this opening range gap high is just supporting price like a mofo. Look at this. The good news is if it goes, I think it'll go fast. If it goes, I think it'll go fast. But man, you know what I mean? This 10 a.m. hour lately has just been not it. CPI or not. I deleted Hawk to a Timber. I deleted her. She cursed my trade one too many times. So we got rid of her. It's 10:38 already. I don't like, I'm just numb to it at this point. I don't even feel the need to crash out. It's just like, at this point, I come to the market in the morning and I'm just like expecting a stop up. Was October good PA? Honestly, it's been the best PA, yeah. It honestly, price action doesn't get better than this. So if you can't make money in this price action, you probably can't make money in any price action. So yeah. YouTube subscribers. Oh yeah, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Yeah, YouTube is tough. YouTube is kind of tough. Tough crowd. Tough crowd on YouTube. Going to stop loss. Ba-na-na-na. I mean, whatever. At this point, this is just... Let's see if there's a sale on bleach. Rope is on sale. Yeah, no, I'll cut it there. Don't worry, guys. I can rejoin it again later and fucking lose the same trade idea 3 times. Hang on. I gotta go. Where is it? Where the fuck? All right. 10:44. I'm fine, Aspers. I literally I'm so fucking numb to losing in AM session this month. It's not even funny. I'm ready to hit the reset button, honestly. This is, I don't know. I don't have the answers clearly. It's not it. It's not it, dude. A lot of break-even trades, though, this month. It's just like, man. Ugh. Honestly, I'd probably, like, this month would probably be great if I was a 1-to-1 trader. If I just traded 1R trades all the time. this month would be probably pretty fucking decent. I mean, the number of trades at which I've been stopped to break even after a 1 hour move has just been actually sickening. Anyway, yeah, I did close that trade, that one that I was just in a little early. My stop was above this high here. So I saved myself a little bit. Yay, moral victories. Still waiting for ES to see if it can take out this data high finally. You know, shit. With a name like Skittles. I mean, yeah, it sounds about right.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Oh my god. You know what's crazy though? Like, if we just get a nuke candle out of nowhere, that will be 2 successful shorts. Or like my first short technically wasn't even stopped out yet on MNQ. Imagine it dumps here. I don't need to imagine. I feel like that'll be a crash out worthy. That'll be crash out worthy if it does that. $50. I would have been stopped here. Hmm. $10.48, 11 a.m. macro beginning in 2 minutes. Yeah. Here is our hourly candle so far. Yes, big doji. Thank you. But yeah, I will I mean, I'm gonna look for, I'll do another short attempt if we can get a decent look at something here in the macro or around 11 a.m. But yeah. Micro beginning. Well, I don't know, guys. Is it safe to say that maybe I should just remove this individual fair value gap from my chart? It seems to have not been too helpful. Yeah, let's do that. 5-minute gap here. Got 4 minutes left on this candle. I know you mad right now. No, I'm fucking ecstatic. I'm so happy. This is amazing. I love losing. It's awesome. I love it. I love trading in this. Nothing fucking actually makes me happier. You fucking sucking right now. Does market ever make you guys feel like a retard? Would it be crazy if I chase this with a mini right now? Yes or no? Let me know. If it's crazy, I won't do it. If it's not crazy, I'll do it. Just kidding. I'll probably do it either way. You didn't watch ICT all-time high series, Avoid Short? You mean the same series that like a day later he posted a big short, how he somehow caught the Friday, he claims he caught the Friday the 10th short? You know that series? Yeah, like a day later he says he caught this. Fucking hilarious. Yeah, that one? Yeah, I watched it. Yeah, I watched it. Fucking people. These fuckers, dude. It is kind of crazy, though, to think, like, all I had to do is just not close any of my shorts, and I'd be in profit right now on the first one. You know? Be careful. All right, I'm being careful. I'm being real careful. You ain't ever seen someone be this careful. Yes, Kev, I agree. I also dislike it very much. Where's my stop loss? I don't have one. But mentally, it's basically above these gaps here. Like right here. Mentally, it's like 517, roughly. But I'm not letting these market makers know where it is anymore. Fuck them. These guys can suck me. Fucking tired of this shit. Tired of this bullshit. Gosh. Fucking adding years to my life right now. Stupid.
Back where you fucking started, Wagey. Someone has to fucking flip the burgers, dumbass.
Never should have closed my initial shorts, chat. Fuck. God. This trading shit is tough. So, yeah, someone's, I don't know whose sister, but somebody's sister is about to get it. No. Don't fucking tell me that that's it. Opening range gap high? Oh? Would it be crazy if I added to the short here? I'm stalling because I'm like, could we poke up into here a little bit? I have about the same fill then. No, I got to do it now. It's rejecting. Bro, these are lightning funded, I swear. It does this on the regular, that's not true. Not with this much risk. I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit steep, but I'm crashing out a little bit, and it's CPI day, so I'm throwing a little bit of caution to the wind. I'm either going to crash and burn on a Friday, or it's going to be legendary. I don't give a fuck anymore, bro. I really don't. This market has exhausted me. It's exhausted all the fucks I had to give. I had a bunch of them. Like when this month started, I had a lot of fucks to give. And as of right this very moment in time, those fucks are very razor thin. And if I got to eat an L for it, I'll eat an L for it. You know what I mean? Because what's the alternative? The alternative is I'm afraid of losing a little money and I'll never be rich. Right? Someone tell me I'm right. If you lose this, no more streaming for 1 month. If I lose this, I'll be back probably Monday. I can almost fucking guarantee it. Ugh. My bags of fucks are empty. Listen, I'm just getting ready for the Tradeify Grand Cup. I'm getting ready for the Grand Cup because we're winning that shit. And we're not going to win that shit if we're scared. All right? This is not a team that plays scared. We play to win. We don't play not to lose. We play to win. We play to fucking win the game. Okay? You want to fucking lose? Go somewhere else. You want to play it safe? Trading's not for you, okay? Sorry to be the one to tell you, but it's just the fucking truth. Fuck. We play to win over here. Let's fucking go. Please go down, please go down, please go down, please. Pinky out. Big drop down, daddy. Where is TP? I don't know. Probably the same place it's been all fucking morning. Shit ain't changed. Ain't nothing changed but the fucking weather, boys. Come on, opening range gap high. My villain arc is activated. Oh, you want to see the P&L? Fucking go. Fabio Valentini? No. I don't. This mentality is never getting the Lambo. I think it's actually the only mentality that would ever get a Lambo, to be honest. I don't know. I don't have one, though, so I'll let you know. Stay tuned. Come on. We need the Florida dropout. You know what's coming. This 5-minute gap will absolutely sponsor a new low. It ain't a matter of if, it's a matter of when. We all know it's coming. This 5-minute gap will absolutely sponsor new lows. Why, you ask? Because I fucking said so. I don't want to hear any back talk. Add more? No, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna add more. No, 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 no. I need to give this room to breathe if it wants to pull up into here. No, 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 no. Max daily loss on these is like 3,700. So no, not gonna do that. I don't know if I can do that. That'd be the type of shit where it's like I'd get margin called like right here and then it would hold. Last payout was end of September. But I have a deal with Tradeify where I can't do any promotional like commercial dealings with posting about it, which is why I'm exclusive with Tradeify. Yeah, I actually can't really there's some things that I can and can't necessarily do, or I don't know if I'd actually get in trouble for it or not, but I just haven't really cared to find out. So yeah, I've gotten 0 payouts in October. October has been fucking dog shit. I'm broke. You thought I was kidding when I said send McDonald's applications? I wasn't kidding. I'm dead fucking serious. Spooky season. It's fucking spooky season, boys. Why do you think I'm crashing out? It's just like, what is happening? Is trading your full-time job? I mean, kind of in a way. I've made enough money from trading to cover all my expenses for the year of 2025, if that counts, but it's not my biggest income. Yeah, you know, fuck. What's up, Carthio? Tyler is a dancing bear? I don't know what that means. Yeah, OnlyFans is my biggest income. You'd be surprised how much people would pay to see 2 inches. That's the crazy part. Do I live by myself? I have a dog. So kind of yes and no. Only Stubbs. Fave movie, The Big Short. I'm not saying that because I'm in a short either. I know that's not The Big Short. Don't worry, guys. The gap will hold. The gap will hold or I'm gay. So the stakes are too high for it not to hold. I will set a stop loss if that would make you feel better. I'll set it, but if it fucks me, by Buy stop. There. Selling right now is anti-Semitic. Well, in that case, let me add another one. Ba-dum-ts. Nice gambling on stream. Thanks. Just think, guys, this whole situation could be avoided, or could have been avoided, just by holding the initial first short. MNQ was going to it was going to save me. And then, although I still didn't hit my break-even point. So might all have been for nothing. I don't know why you guys are freaking out. This gap is going to hold. There's no really there's nothing to really be worried about. The gap will hold, right? Thoughts on how to deal with this? Probably use a little bit better risk management than what I'm doing currently. Don't trade. Play ping pong in the range. I don't know. I'm pretty frustrated with price this whole month, so I'm just like, it's all kind of coming to a boiling point. I'm just like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm saying fuck it, kind of. I'm just so fucking pissed and frustrated with price action this month. Well, it's a good thing I didn't add to this. This 5-minute gap. What are we doing? Oh, now ES is going to go for the high. Oh. It is October, I guess, huh? April Fools. Oh no. Arnar? Yikes is right. Oh yeah, she's gonna go for it. Dang. All right. Mentorship's going on sale right now. Yeah, P&L. Max daily loss on these is like 3,700. Yeah, it's definitely going to be a max daily loss day for me, or I'm going to be green on the day before the day ends. You can bank on it. I don't know if I'm going to take another trade this morning, though, just because I'm like, bro, what the fuck? What are we doing? We're just going to the moon now again? Dude, I'm telling you, it's short only for me today. It's short only for me today. I don't care. I just don't care. I don't care. Guys, I don't know if I mentioned this already or not, but I don't care. Just take the L, bro. What do you think I just did? Am I not doing this right? Anyway, yeah, we'll see. I want to see if ES can ES finally take out this data high, for Christ's sake. Yeah, these accounts deserve to be torched at this point, dude.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Oh, I don't know why that cheers me up. How much drawdown left? I mean, I'll still have a little bit of room even if I hit max daily loss today, but it's definitely dwindling. Yeah. I don't know, man. I can't catch a break on these. Bad conditions, bad decisions. A little bit of everything, honestly. Bunch of break evens. Affiliate merchant. Yeah, guys, use code Tyler. Code TT also will work. Honestly, it might as well change the name of the stream at this point. Can I do that? All right. All right. Let's see if ES can take out this data high finally. Every short attempt I've taken on NQ, I've closed it. Obviously this last one hit stop out, but I've closed it like thinking ES is going to finally go take this out. and then getting induced then getting induced on every sell-off to re-enter. Silly stuff, huh? Absolutely silly stuff. Gold is more fun? I don't know if I would. I don't think so. I don't think gold's more fun. Especially not right now. Anyway, well, I'm gonna stall for a little bit longer, boys. I wasn't joking when I said this is either a max daily loss day or I'm ending the day green. I've already made the decision. It's happening. So stick around if you want to watch. Don't stick around if you don't, I guess. We'll see though. Data high taken on ES. Still looking for shorts. It's a short, Tyler. Iron Fist, I've fucking taken 3 shorts. I've been in profit on a couple of them, but I mean this one at one point, yeah, it was up. I don't know how many points that was, but my initial entry was 483. So it was up like almost 50 points roughly. Yeah, 51, 52. Generate the equal lows, support and resistance for the win, dude. Yeah, man. Should have stuck with support and resistance all along, huh? Man, Baby Pips was right. Yeah, didn't take out that low on ES. Maybe I'm just washed up. Maybe Unk status actually is finally here. I ain't as good as I once was, but I'm as good once as I ever was. Man, R.I.P. Toby. Yeah, I know all the ICT. I know all the ICT traders as all the hindsight traders, I should say. Everybody has all the magical answers. Everybody has all the answers after a move is already played out. And they always have the exact PD array of why it worked out against me. You know, everyone's a hindsight genius. We all know. We all know. Keep the comments coming though. We know, we know. To the moon we go right now, though. You know what I'm probably missing? Probably missing like the 15-second chart, huh? I think this will help. What do you guys think? 15, 30-second chart. Worst CPI day I've ever seen. Dude, we were the day's not over yet, but Fuck, man. We were undefeated on CPI days. I just remembered for 2025. Now we're not. Oh God, we're really not. Yeah, let's see. We'll see if we can salvage it. Like I said, it's max daily loss. It's max daily loss for me on these accounts, or it's redemption. I call it smart, call it stupid, call it I don't give a fuck. How about that? That sounds good. So yeah, we got like 800 bucks left roughly margin for the day on these. Don't you dare short before lunch. I'm being patient. I'm trying to let this, listen, let the grind happen. I'm just, I do have to be pretty precise at this point in the game, right? It's not a lot of room for error left. It's kind of like the Patriots being down to the Falcons 28-3 at just after halftime in the Super Bowl. It's like you got to have a lot of things go your way. You got to make a lot of really good decisions. You got to be precise. That's what we're going to try to be here. The question is, will this be an SMT that finally holds, or will this also fail? Kind of waiting for displacement, but not that that's been super reliable either. Could just turn into a support and resistance trader. That's how price wants to be. Oh, changing the state of delivery on the 32nd? Yeah, we'll try one. We'll try one and then look for ads. And 30-second inversion? Oh my God. Max daily loss is my stop loss. Kind of. I mean, on this 30-second, I might hop out if we like trade back above this high. I mean, at this point, hang on. $11.30. I used to be hell on wheels. At this point, I'm basically trying to like top, in a sense, I'm trying to call the top on this move if I'm going to turn this around. All right, let's close that off. We got like $600 of drawdown left on this for max loss on the day. Yeah, we got to try to top tick this. Somebody call the top of the market. Some genius call the top for me. I don't know where the top is, I guess. Take a break. I am going to take a break as soon as max daily losses hit or we're green. I'll take a long break. I'll take like a, what is it? Yeah, I'll take like a 2-day break, actually. It's the weekend. You won't see me on these charts for 2 fucking days. That's the thing. And I said, Dave, I ain't as good as I once was. I've got a few years on me now. But there was a time back in my prime. I could I could really lay it down. Hmm. My, how the years have flown. All right. I'm going to short a couple of mini contracts here. Another 30-second inversion. I'm not going to let that pass. I'm not going to pass that up. All right. This is for all the marbles here, I think. Pretty sure this is for all the marbles at this point. Max daily loss or redemption. Damn, I should have did more contracts. That's all right. We'll look for ads here. Geez, slow down, NQ. Bearish a breaker. Yay. One of these PD arrays will work, maybe. What a beautiful spot to add there. It's got to be the top, boys. It's got to be the top. If this ain't the top, no top for me. I would love to play some blackjack, actually. Right about now, actually. Now that you mention it. I was gonna add another one if we could close below here on that candle. Yeah. I'm trying not to add too quick because I'm trying to give this as much room to breathe or whatever, but not that I have much room to breathe anyway. At least you can say that I died on my sword, my bearish sword today. So listen, if you got a sister and she's worried about my loyalty, just show her this. Just show her this stream. You're like, I don't know if he's loyal. You ever seen a guy just continuously short of fucking all-time highs? That's a loyal guy. I agree, Michael. This is pretty bad. Yeah. Caution's been thrown to the wind at this point. There's no risk management involved here. This is full-blown tilt day on display. Literally. I mean, there's no other way to put it. And I'm fully aware. But listen. Are you not entertained? Oh, it's not looking hot. I mean, it's holding the gap for now, but it is stuck right now. It's stuck. It reminds me of my stepmom in the dryer. I don't even have a stepmom. Oh, do we dare do it? Yeah, we might as well. We'll tack on a fourth. Yeah, don't fucking copy me right now. Unless you're doing it with good risk. I mean, like, really good risk. I'm full port mode right now. This is for all the marbles. She told me she likes guys who take risks. I'm just trying to be that for her. Man. Oh, come on now. Flush it. What would this be? Ooh. Hmm. Oh no, we're back. I mean, what are we doing, dude? Like, do something, dude, at this point. Margin call me or drop. I prefer the latter, but... Take some profits and re-enter? What the fuck are you saying? No. Is this P&L green yet? When this P&L is green, that's when we can start taking some profit. Not before. Or talk to a girl when I need her. Come on. Come on, Drake Candle. Where's Champagne Poppy? Uh-oh. Oh, God. The wick. Oh, here we go. Come on, chat. Please, God, no. Please, God, no. No. Yes. Yes. No. Oh, please don't be the wick of death. Please don't be the wick of death. So fucking scared right now. Just kidding. Oh, I don't like that. Don't like that on the 1 minute. Come on, fill that wick. Oh no. Brace, guys, brace. Could be it. But if there is a prayer in heaven, we'll be fine. What's up, Nick? I started gambling. I don't know when I started gambling, actually. I guess 11 a.m. macro. Yeah, I started gambling 11 a.m. macro, I guess you could say. The market is let's just say the market won today. The market won. The thing is, I don't really need to add, though. Like, this is already more than enough. I don't really need to add. And the way this is looking, with equal highs here. This might be it. Reverse positions? No. It's long only. Or, I'm sorry. It's short only today. Fuck the longs. I don't give a fuck. Fuck the bulls. It's bear down, baby. Iron Fist. I need you to say the opposite so it does go down. This is so slow. That's what I'm saying, dude. Yeah, my dog's gotta pee too. And I also have to pee at this point. Guys, tell us he's been in the chat acting like he knows everything the whole time. Like, he's still watching. I mean, this is all part of the gig here. Max lost him is like 3,700 for the day. All I know is the 5 minute doesn't look hot. It looks like it's a sweep to go higher. To be honest, kind of. Yeah. Here's the 15. We're living on a bearish prayer here. Oops. Never give up, never what? Never give up, never what? Never surrender. Can't believe nobody got that. Too early to celebrate. I know, but we only might get this opportunity to celebrate because it might all be over here in a little bit. Where is stop loss? Max daily loss. Whenever that hits, it's probably like right up here somewhere. Probably like right up. Yeah, it's probably like somewhere up here. Might be over, boys. This is just so ungodly slow. You know someone that knows someone? Better be Nancy. I know, buddy. We're gonna go soon, hopefully. How do I like the new iPhone? It's all right. It's I. I feel like I maybe should have went with the orange one though. I got the dark blue. I should have went with the Bitcoin orange. Nobody scare it. Please. Please. Oh. Yo, I can't even with NASDAQ right now. What the fuck? None of this makes any sense. I don't know what to do. So I feel like I just have to hold it. Bro. Oops. But at least it's given us a run for our money, right? Like, you're gonna full port. At least allow us to see some hope. I was gonna go break even if we traded below this wick. I don't know if I'll get the chance now. What is up with NASDAQ doing this? Equal lows. Equal lows. Equal highs. Are you guys freaking out? We got equal lows and equal highs, boys. I don't know which one's going to win. I don't know what we're going to do. The only thing I know for certain is that we're probably going to give more money to Israel. Oh, I probably should have said that. Whatever. We let it ride, man. Oh, nice. Right back at entry. Oops. Stay in one place, bitch. No, I already changed the name of the stream to full port. If you don't see the new name of the stream, refresh your page quick. CPI day turned full port. Can't take profit now. New hour. It's lunch hour. All right, fucking moment of truth. We're opening up with no lower wick. I'm commentating as if any of this means anything. Nothing means anything anymore. This could be the end. After all that. After all of that hope. Closed above. Not good. 1 minute change in the state above. Oh, this is it. This could be it. We gave it a bet. We gave it our best shot, though. We gave it our best shot, didn't we? We had him in the first half. How come nobody told me to close here? Oh, there it is. Is that it? Yep, there it is. Margin call hit. It didn't give me an alert though. All right. Stop. 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 You're lying. You're actually fucking lying. Don't. Dude. Hang on. I think you guys lost me for a second. I didn't go anywhere. I did not go anywhere. That was just bad timing. When did my light go off? There we go. Yeah, well, shit. Max daily loss hit on these. This would be nuts though. Fuck those accounts. Full forward. Max loss. All right, max loss hit on these for the day. The shorts never won. I've been in profit. I've been in profit on every short I've taken, and they've all resulted in L's. Kind of crazy. I'm a little bummed out about it. A little bummed out. Guys, what are the odds that this still holds in shorts? I mean, I just will be... I'll just be a mess, man. Not of the... No, Nika. We can't full port it, like fully full port. Although I will probably... Dude, I'm still going to look for shorts later. Probably, yeah, probably will. Probably will maybe take a trade on them, yeah. It just, dude. What a fucking day. CPI day. If there's ever a CPI day on a Friday ever again, I'm not trading it. I'm sleeping in. I'm taking off. You won't see me. You won't hear from me. Dude, I can't even right now. I'm telling you, boys, if this literally margin called me here just to tank, that would just be insulting. That'd just be insult to injury. I mean, would it not? Wouldn't that just be insult to injury in the worst way? Anyway, hit the like button, boys and girls. Free entertainment nonetheless. All right, let's watch this for another few minutes. I just need to see it if it's gonna do it. I need to see the pain. Well, yeah, let's do a P&L check though, huh? Yeah, it's definitely definitely Israel's fault. Well, boys, first successful full port crash out on stream in over it only took what? I've been streaming since July of 2024. And I've never done what I just did today. I've never done on a stream ever. First for everything, right? Took a year and a half, but here we are. I knew eventually it would come. October 2025 got the better of me finally. Couldn't handle it anymore. I hit my breaking point. Imagine having you as a mentor. Well, it's not like I'm advocating telling people to do what I just did. I quite literally said the opposite. If I was mentoring somebody, I would never tell them to fucking do that. That doesn't make any sense. It's like if I went to a casino and I put 10 grand down on a hand of blackjack, it's like, would I tell anybody else to do that? No. I buy crypto. I don't tell anybody else to buy crypto. Like, do what the fuck you want. $999 more. It's so true though. Yeah, it's so true though, ain't it? Son of a. Yeah, man. Well, max loss. Yeah, max loss hit for me today on these Tradeify accounts. I mean, I guess if we're looking ahead, obviously back to the tentative news. What are we, day like 24 of this government shutdown or something? We will have FOMC next week, though, I believe, right? On the 29th. Is there any more earnings next week? Oh, God, yeah. Holy shit. We got a lot of earnings next week. 29th on Wednesday. Apple on Thursday. And Amazon. Oh, God. Dude, just make it stop, dude. Like, I might just come back in November, honestly, at this point. Holy shit, bro. We got Visa Tuesday, Visa Tuesday. Microsoft, Google, Meta, Wednesday. Apple, Amazon, Thursday. All after hours. Yeah, guys, I don't know. It's just... honestly, though, it kind of feels good. It feels good to just be like, you know what? Fuck October. We're past it. I feel liberated. So this is what the purge felt like. Anyway, yeah, looking at the poll in the chat, it's actually pretty no, I take that back. 50% red, 28% green, 21% flat. I mean, yeah, my best short was ironically enough still that very first short. As long as that, you know, MNQ doesn't take the high. E-mini did. You just stay in that, you know, you're looking good here. Maybe I go break even here for all I know. I don't fucking know. But I just really wanted to see at least like this after data high. I was willing to die on that hill today. Oh, I guess we did get here on the... where is it? Oh. Is it MNQ? What was I looking at? Am I retarded? Apparently we did get down at a discount. Maybe I am retarded. Huh. But anyway. Yeah, apparently this should have been a break even, I guess. I don't know. I don't know, man. It's all no excuses to be made today. It's just market absolutely got me. It absolutely got me in every way possible, both fiscally, emotionally, mentally. Everything about it today was a total W by the market and a total L from your boy. Mama said there'd be days like this. He wasn't lying. Was not lying one bit. Man. I would say hop in the Discord if you're not in the Discord already, boys and girls. We will do a lightning funded account giveaway over the weekend. I'm not going to say when or how we're going to do it just yet, but it will be done in the Discord. So if you're not in there, hop in there. The link is either in the description of the video, or the bot should be putting it in the chat here any second, I would think. But if not, it's in the description of the live stream, boys and girls. So yeah, man, tough day for me. It is what it is. Move on. Move on. No risk, no Rari. So, all right, guys. I'm going to call it there. Honestly, there's a fair chance that I would be open to looking for shorts in the PM session on other accounts. Obviously, I can't do nothing. These accounts are toast for the day, so can't do nothing with these. What else am I going to say? I feel like I'm forgetting something here before we sign off. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll be back live next week, though. And we got earnings all next week, apparently. So that'll be fun. And yeah, man, enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Don't be as big of a degenerate today as I was. Learn from me. And if you'd like to get funded with Tradeify, use code Tyler or code TT. Join the Tradeify Grand Cup, boys. We're getting some shit out of the way here before the Grand Cup begins, so we're ready to go for game time, and we're gonna win that shit. All right, I want you guys to come into it with that mindset. We're gonna win. We're here to win. We're not here to play it safe. We're not here to get along to go along. No, we're here to win. We're here to win, and that's what we're always gonna be here to do. Okay. All right, guys. Enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your weekend. I'll keep you guys updated over the weekend and in the Discord for any further trades and or the giveaway this weekend. All right. Appreciate you guys. Hit the like button before you go. I'm sorry that I couldn't successfully full port this back into green. I was really hoping we could do that and end on a great note, but it wasn't meant to be. It wasn't meant to be. So I'll see you guys next week. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy your Friday. Peace and love, everybody.
Our trade sits at his desk, coffee in hand. The NASDAQ chart's on his screen, he's in command. He's a day trader, chasing dollars and dreams. Using ICT concepts, he's got some tricks up his sleeves. From Fibonacci retracements to volume spread analysis, Tyler knows the smart money, he's gaining an advantage. He watches the market like a hawk in the sky. With every tick and every turn, he's catching the high. Running with the smart money, kicking up dust. Tyler trades a day trader you can trust. Dancing with the bulls, riding with the bears, making moves, taking risks, he's a millionaire. taking risks, he's a millionaire.